positive vibes of the river Thames makes you feel more energetic and enthusiastic. You don't get tired and want to explore the south bank of the river. It is always so refreshing that you never feel bored, or the scenery is captivating. Whenever you come here, you always find something amazing and spectacular. You always enjoy coming to this side. While walking along the river bank, you find so many street entertainers acting as living statues, playing music, performing gymnastics, and playing different tricks. I can see a huge crowd in front of us. I think there is a performance going on. Let's see what's going on there, and I'll show you. Come with me. The group is called Fenty Acrobats, and they are from Ghana, performing in South Africa.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Yeah. 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 Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Yeah. 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 What's up? Yeah. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Yeah. Yeah.
It is a very common practice. People watch and walk away in the end without giving any penny. As an appreciation, they want you to pay at the end of the show before leaving.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.
I will continue exploring South Bank and bring some more contents for you guys. Don't forget to let me know what do you think about my vlogs. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe it. Or if you don't like it, still subscribe it. See you guys in my next vlog from South Bank, London. Take care. Meantime, watch the remaining Fenty Acrobats performance. And don't forget to give away whatever you got in your pocket before leaving.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.
If you like the show, come on, give me an applause. Come on. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you are waiting for, I'm gonna prove it. Yeah, that's the limbo. I'm gonna do this. I know you'll be waiting for long just to see this, but I'll prove it to you. But before I do this, one more thing I have to say. Yeah, before they give round of applause for the children, yeah? Yeah, so well. Yeah, they did so well. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here because of you. We entertain you and put some smile on your face. At the end of the show, you put smile on our faces, and then you show some love to us. We are here performing this kind of art, but at the end of the show, we are not be paying performing here. Nobody pay us. Yeah, not the London Eye, the South Bank management, nobody pay us. We depend on you. If you don't support us, we go home empty pocket. Therefore, if you like the show, you pay. If you don't like the show, you pay. Yeah, if you think we deserve £5 and you can afford it, that would be great. Yeah, remember we are in London. You know? If you can afford £10, that would be great. Yeah, if you give us £20, we'll come home with you. Show some love, show appreciation. If you don't have cash, don't worry, I have card reader here. Yeah, you can just see me at the corner and tap. Yeah, let's say them and show some love. We do event, party, wedding, whatever event you want us to come and perform. Yeah, we have our business card. You can take one and then keep in touch. We do any program you call on us. This is a group called Fenty Acrobats, all the way from Ghana, West Africa. Come on, give her a push. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. That's woman for the little man. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Let's go. Are you ready for the limbo? Are you ready? By the counting of three, let me see you clapping. 1, 2, 3, let's go. How low can you go? How low can you go with your weight? Let's go. Let's go. How low can you go? How low can you go? How low? As my colleague said, that'll be the finale of the show. At the end of the show, please don't just walk away. Come closer, show some love. Something is better than nothing. How low can you go? Yes, let's go. Prove it. How low? Make some noise. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Don't just walk away. Come closer, show some love. Thank you.